Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing the math quiz. So let's get started. Term to week 7. Okay, 55. There's 50. There's 24 hours in a day. How many hours in a day? 55 days. 55 times 24. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, now put the 2 up here. 4 times 5 is 28, so 22. Oh wait, no, okay, now we add the 0. Okay, 2 times 5 is 0, we just add the 0 here. We add 1, 2 times 5, the same answer, so is this one. Okay, this one very easy. 45 divided by 9. 5 is 9. We just add that 3 zeros because we did not use them. Okay. 67, 31 times it. 1 times 7 is 7. 6. We add that 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 3, that's 18. We add that 0. 7, 7, 0, 2. Okay. Okay. Here. Times it by 7. 42. 7 times 4 is 28. Add that 2. Add that for me. Now, 7 times 2 is 14. We add that 3. It's 17. 7 to 2. Okay, here it's like very easy. 5 times 9 is 45, and then we just add those 2 zeros, same as here. And we also have to round them too. 8 times 39 is 0, 72. Okay. 3 times 0 is 0, of course. And now 3 times 8 is 224. Okay, it's 0. And also 0 over here too. Now here's 2. Okay, 7 times that's 11. 3, 1, 2, 0. Okay, now here. 54 times 37. So that's 28. 7 times 5 is 35, 37. Since we added that too. Okay, now here 3 times 4 is 12. We add that one. So 3 times 5 is 15, and now we add that one. 16. Now we plus it. 8, 9, 9, 1. Okay, here. Here, okay. 38 times 25. Okay, now 5 times 8, 40. Now 5 times 3 is 15. We just add that 4, so 9. 2 times 5 is 16. And the 1, that's 7. That's 7. Okay, now here's 0, and now here's a 5. And now we added that's a 2, and now to 950. Okay, 60, okay. 36 times 18. 8 times 6 is 48. We just add that 4. Okay, now that's 24. Just we add the 8. We add that 4, so 288. Now of course we add the 0 always at the start. Okay, now that's a 6 and 3. 8. Okay, now 6 plus 8 is what the hell? 6 plus 8 is 14. We add that 1. Now that's 6. Okay. Okay, now here we're actually starting division. 280 down. Okay. Okay, now that's 3 because 24 now. 4 we add that 0. And now that's a 5. 40 minus 40 is 0. Okay. Now okay, now 27 times 6. Okay. So 6 times 7 is 42. We just add that. Okay, now 12. Now add the 6. Okay, now here. Okay, now 1 is 0 by 3. Okay, now that's 3. Okay, something that's close to 18 is that's a 6 minus that. That's 0. And now we add that 0. And now we put a 0 here. And now we're done. And now we just like minus those. And then there's of course no remainder. Okay, now here. Here, very easy. We just do 24 divided by 6, which is 4. And then we just add those 2 left, or 0. Even here, same thing. We just add that 1 0 because 30 divided by 5 is 6, and we just add that last 0 since the other one we used it for 30. Okay, now here. 9, 7, 5, and 3. Okay, so that's 3, 9. Okay, so now we minus it, that's 0. We add the 7. We times it by 1, which is 6. and now we minus this one, and now we add that 5, and now we plus it by 5, okay, equals 0, 0. Okay, here very easy, just like the second question. We do the exact same steps. And also I forgot to say that we have to also round them. But because you have to read the question or like in the sign, that's how I understand it. Okay. Here now we just add that 7. Okay. And now we add that 7. So now we now we do something that's a number closer. 21. Okay, we add that 8. And now something closer or something like it. Now I drop down that 2. 42. Okay, now that's a 6. And here, 42. Okay. Okay, now here, very easy too. Okay, 34 times 23. Okay, now here we just have to basically just like get the numbers just for those. Okay, now it's 2, 0, and now we have the 1. That's 6. That's 9. And 1, 0, and then we add that 0. And now 2 times 4 is 8, and then here. And now the answer is 6, and then here. Plus, and now that's a 7, 8, 2. And here's the answers for it. That's how like we put it. Okay. Six. Okay, now here 4. Here 1 6 divided by 4. Okay, so now we times it by 2. So now the answer is 8. And now we minus it. That's 1. And now we add that. Now we add 0. Okay, now so we can't times it, so we just add that 0. And now we drop down the 6 because we can't when minus it by 0. It actually stays the exact same. So okay, and now 4 times 4 is 16, 0, and we minus it 0, 0. Okay, here 928 divided by 4. Okay, now 4 here. Okay, something closer is 4, so times that by 2. It's actually 1. We get to drop down that 2. Okay, now something close to or exact same. We times it by 3. And now that's 12. And now I drop down the 8. And boom, done. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.